Welcome to my channel. E-Chain Tyro 109 Velox V3, really nice motors. These are the 2207 V3s, 2250 kV. I've recently done a couple of reviews, builds. You might see them on my social media. Nice motor. Attached them to a 109. Not going to talk much. Check out those videos if you want to see them, see what it's all about. Got SpeedyBee flight controller stack there. TBS, HG LRC, something or other. Camera sits a little bit too far into the 109 frame, so you do get a bit of frame footage there, but don't really mind. No more talking. I'm just going to fly it. These motors are the bomb. Check them out. Velox, leak below, very nice. Let's go. I normally do line of sight at the end of my videos, however today, in case something happens and I send it, because it's really windy, I'm going to do line of sight to start with. It is pretty windy. Scoot around. You guys can listen to these motors. Flown this a few times already, really like it. Really nice on the punch out, really smooth. And hopefully nothing happens while I'm line of sighting. What do you think, guys? Drop us a comment while you're watching, that'd be great. It just sounds really nice. Where is it? Okay, let's chuck on the gogs and go for a cruise around. Oh, it's windy. Oh, did you see that? I love the tune on this 109. Gee, it's been a good quad. Get out of the sun. Don't really want to land in the dirt. Poop, poop, poop. Goggle time. Got my little Foxeer patch, double axis dongly thingy on top there. Sky Zone 04X's. Let's go. Let's go for a fly around. You can see that frame there. You can see the frame. You can see the props. I don't mind looking at the props. This is the standard receiver on my Sky Zones. I have actually got a rapid fire module on order. The purpose of this video is just have a fly around. See those Velox motors spinning, low battery. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to last too long in this. It's a fairly old 1500. We'll just fly it 3.5. We'll fly it for a couple of minutes. Just go for a bit of distance over here. Oh, my goggles are deciding to get their own mix happening. Not to worry. Got some power lines over there. Let's have a fly over here. Got about 600 milliwatt VTX on the SpeedyBee. 600 milliwatt VTX on the not SpeedyBee, the HGLRC FC that I've HGLRC VTX I'm running here. Sorry guys, I'm looking at my voltage. I don't really want to crash this thing. Like I said, folks, beautiful motor. And it's almost windy up there. I better bring it home. No broken drops today. Bye-bye. Land now. Let's do as it says. Ah, thank you. Steady view. Dang those automatic steady view settings. Gonna go clean the dust off of it. Nice quad. Nice motors, Velox V3. If you haven't checked these out, guys, don't waste any time, check them out. Nice little fly around. I recently built this 109. Like I said, check out the build videos if you want. Otherwise, drop me a comment. Have you flown with the Velox before? Do you like them? There won't be too many negative comments out there, that's for sure. Top stuff. See you soon. Thank you, Velox. Links down below. Let's get on to our next build.